Welcome to our detailed review of the TP-Link USB-C to Ethernet adapter, UE300C. This compact and versatile device is designed to transform your laptop, tablet, or smartphone's USB-C port into a reliable wired connection, supporting speeds up to 1 gigabit per second. If you've experienced unstable Wi-Fi connections during important online meetings, gaming sessions, or HD video streaming, this adapter might be the perfect solution you've been looking for. One of the key highlights of this adapter is its high-speed USB-C Ethernet functionality. With support for 10-100,000 Mbps RJ45 connections, the UE300C ensures that you enjoy a stable connection that can handle everything from file transfers to immersive gaming. To achieve the full gigabit speed performance, it is important to use a high-quality Cat6 or higher-rated Ethernet cable. The adapter's USB-C 3.0 compatibility not only ensures faster data transfer rates, but also provides more stable connections compared with older data transfer standards. In addition to its impressive performance, the UE300C features an ultra-compact and foldable design. Measuring just 2.8 by 1.0 by 0.6 inches, it easily fits into your laptop bag, pocket, or even a small travel accessory kit. This lightweight build makes it an excellent travel companion for remote work, business trips, or simply a quick replacement for unstable Wi-Fi connections at home or the office. Plug-and-play functionality is a significant advantage of this adapter. It requires no additional drivers on platforms such as Windows 11, 10, 8.1, 8, 7, macOS, Chrome OS, and Linux, including Ubuntu. The simplicity of connecting the adapter allows for immediate wired internet access without the hassle of complicated installation processes. This feature is particularly beneficial for users who travel frequently or are not particularly tech-savvy. In terms of real-world usage, users have reported that the adapter performs excellently under various conditions, offering a steady connection for diverse devices including MacBook Pro Air, iPad Pro, Dell XPS, Surface Laptop, and Chromebooks. While the adapter stands strong against similar products in the market, some users have mentioned that the adapter might become warm during extended heavy use. However, this is a common issue with compact network adapters and does not affect overall performance. To get the most out of the TP-Link UE300C, always use high-quality Ethernet cables and ensure that your device's firmware is up to date. This adapter is perfect for anyone needing reliable, high-speed internet connectivity, from remote workers to gamers and business travelers alike. That wraps up our review of the TP-Link USB-C to Ethernet adapter UE300C. Thanks for listening, and we hope you found this review helpful. Have a great day, and hello to all our viewers.